Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode of Commodities Watch. In today's episode we're going to be analysing the gold price chart and then shortly afterwards moving over to crude oil. Let's start off here with gold. Now gold has done exactly what I anticipated it to do. If you joined my live stream, that was my live stream over on YouTube, I think it was last week, then you would have heard me put these price tags in of key areas to watch out here for the gold markets. And that's when we were trading all the way up at 1830, and I come out on YouTube, on the streaming service and on the YouTube live session and said that I fully anticipate gold to be rejected up here at 1830. That's exactly what's happened. We've now traded back below the 50 and 200 day EMA. We've had a weekly close below them, which is fantastic to see. And briefly on Friday we did go as low as 1782, and this was a price area where I had marked, and that's because it marks the bottom of this uptrend. So the big question now is whether we can break below this uptrend. If we can break below there, then I think 1771 is a given. That's where the 0.23% fib level is, and if we can break below that, we will have some some support around this 1750 area, because that's where we bounced on several previous occasions. But then the big area that I'm looking for is 1720. That's where we had two massive bounces which sparked a move all the way up to the 6-month swing highs up at 1877. If we can break below 1820, that's when we should see a move down towards 1700 and potentially even 6080, which marks the bottom of this retracement area. What I'm looking out here for gold is whether we are forming a wedge and whether we do get a break below or whether we do get a break above. Anything is possible. It could go either way, but I personally favor the downside because of the fundamentals currently surrounding gold. We're in an environment where interest rates are expected to be hiked 2 to 3 times this year. As well as that, we have a tapering process of $120 billion of bond purchasing that is going to come to an end rather rapidly by March. So that being said, gold has missed its ticket. It's missed its bus to those brand new all-time highs up and above 2,500 to 3,000. All these massive price targets that analysts on Wall Street were talking about this time 18 months ago, it's gone. Okay, those times are over. We're going to be in an environment now where interest rates continue to be hiked, and I personally do not see gold trading back above 1,900 this year at all. I think that we will see a breakdown here down to 1,700. It may take a month or two to get that, but eventually once we break below 1,680, where we bounced on two previous occasions, I think, also three, I should say. Once we break below that area there, that's where I think we go and target 1550 down towards 1500. And I know that many people right now are probably watching this video thinking, Max is crazy, gold's going to return, it's going to break out of this downtrend that we've been in, it's going to go to 3,000 or 4,000. I get it, and you're totally entitled to your own opinion, but this is my opinion. I think that gold is bearish, and I think it's destined for lower prices. But let's move over to the crude oil markets. Crude oil is doing fantastic. For those who know, over on the streaming service, we have been buying crude oil down at around $69 a barrel with a stop loss down at $61.72, and our take profit is all the way up at $85, and we're now more than 75% of the way there to achieving that take profit price. So things are looking very good. I've mentioned that earlier on this week that if we could break above that 0.61% fib level, which was at $76.25, that would likely send us straight towards $80. That's exactly what's happened. We attempted to break above, we got rejected, we found support at 50-day EMA, we attempted again, we got that daily close. That's what we were really looking for. We got daily close above that 0.61% fib level, and boom, within 2 trading days we were testing the next fib level up at 0.786, and it's the exact same thing. If we can break above this next fib level, this 0.786 level, that's when I see a very quick impulsive move up towards the full extension, so the final fib level, which is all the way up at our take profit up at $85. The question is whether we come down and retest the 50-day EMA to build up momentum and then eventually break above it, or do we just go straight away? So those are the two scenarios that I see playing out here for crude oil. There's been a lot of tensions in Kazakhstan this week as well, where Russia have now had to intervene, etc. So plenty of fundamental reasons for crude oil to trade higher. I don't really think it's a question of if we get to $85. I think it's more of a question of when we get there. But things are looking very good. One thing I'm keeping my eye out on as well is the RSI, currently trading down at 62. So we still have plenty of territory to move towards the upside, and that should give us enough room to go up towards $85 a barrel. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. How it works is really simple. We have two subscription plans. First one is a monthly fee of $19.99, and the second plan is only $209.99 for a year's subscription. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.